Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, friends, I will tell you and also show you how you can quickly and easily enable call notification on your iPhone. Before we start our video, be sure, friends, to put a like and also subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to write your comments. So, let us get down to our topic. And what is call notification in general? It is such a special voice alert that you can connect. For this, you also need to have the Siri option enabled. So, to enable voice call notification, open your settings. Now scroll to the bottom. Click on the app. Next, you will need to swipe to find the phone app. Then select call notification and look, there's a couple of options. The first is always notify, that is, for example, absolutely in any case or perhaps when you are connected to headphones or in general just in normal life. If someone will call you, you will start to notify that, for example, your mother or friend is calling you and so on by name. The next option is to be notified when you are connected to a car or when you are wearing headphones. And the last option is headphones only. You choose whichever one you're most comfortable with, and then you go back. So as you can see, you will already have call notification enabled. Dear friends, I really hope you found this video helpful and that it was useful to you. Don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.